In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix application load error in the Steam and how we can fix this. Whenever you're trying to load any kind of game on the Steam from the library, you might be getting an application load error. So if you're facing this is what we have to do. So the first one, what you need to do is you have to close the Steam over here and also make sure the Steam is closed in the task manager as well. And also if the Steam is running over here, you have to right click on the system tray and go for exit Steam and make sure no things related to the Steam is running in the background. Next thing, what you need to do is we have to go over here, type your first Steam. Then what you need to do is we have to click on open file location. And what you need to do is you have to go to the Steam once again and you have to right click and go to open file location once again. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to right click and go to the show more option and go to the properties and go to compatibility. Now make sure that you put a check on to run this program as an administrator and just go for apply and go for OK. Now what you need to do is before proceeding first, you have to right click and also make sure that you have to copy the Steam. And from here, you have to double click on the Steam. So the Steam will be opening from here. And once you get into this, you have to go to the game that you're having trouble with. For example, if you're having trouble with Call of Duty Modern Warfare, try launch the game and you have to check. And before that, you have to right click over here and go to properties. And from here, you have to go to installer files. And from here, you have to click on the browse. Once you get into the browse, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down all the way down. And you have to right click and paste the Steam that you copied from here. So the Steam is copied and pasted here. Now we have to launch the game and you have to check. Most probably copy and pasting the Steam over here inside the game local file might be fixed up. Still, if there is an issue, we need to go over here, click on the Steam. Now from here, we need to navigate to the settings and go to the downloads. And if you scroll it down, there is an option to clear download cache and go for this. Once it's successfully done, you have to close this and you have to check. And this is what we have to do. So these are the steps and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.